into
The total array into two parts. So array of n elements can be
subarrays.
divided. Array of n elements are divided into n by 2 plus n by 2. So two portions we made it
Subarray.
into two portions, and then we sorted n by 2 elements. That means the first subarray, and we sorted the second subarray, and we combined both the sorted subarrays to make it a complete array to be sorted. Is this clear? The total. All the students, other
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
students. Number 87. Unmute yourself and respond. 87. Emma, అర్థమైందా? So now I am sharing the screen. So this is what the MedSort algorithm. So in this particular one, the basic concept and basic idea of MedSort is divide, conquer, and combine. So divide, that means we make it into two parts, is nothing but a divide one. So a array A can be divided into A1 and A2, and each one containing about half of the elements. Sometimes half may be there and sometimes may not be there. Sometimes may not be there means sometimes A2 may have either A1 plus 1 or A1 minus 1 elements. Like suppose you people are having 9 different elements. It is not possible for us towards dividing two equal parts. So that's why what we do is either A1 can have 4 elements or A2 can have 5 elements. Or A1 can have 5 elements or A2 can have 4 elements. So whatever be the kind of way which we are dividing. But the second step, that is we conquer in the sense we separately sort the two subarrays and then we combine in the third step. So divide, conquer, and combine are the three different steps that are going to be happens in the MedSort. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Emma, 87. Have you followed it? Okay. And next here, that's what we will make use of this particular algorithm. 39, 9, 81, 45, 90, 27, 72, and 18. There are 8 different elements. 8 different elements are first of all divided into two parts. So first A1. So this is, if you call this particular array is A, then this is the first subarray, that is A1 contains 4 elements and A2 contains the other 4 elements. And again we further divided the 4 elements of A1 to be 2 elements of another subarray and 2 elements of another subarray. Once we divide it like this, then we can, it is easy for us towards sorting this particular subarray, that is A1. So this is the subarray A1 we found, and this is the subarray A2 we found in sorted form. Once these two are arrived, then we are supposed to combine, and this is the sorted array, that is A contains 8 number of elements. So Dani, how we are supposed to add it to the final array? So once we found A1 and A2, how to add in a single array which contains all the sorted array in a ascending order. Adi we are supposed to examine in this format. So for that, what we are supposed to do is we use 3 different pointers. One is big, and the other one is mid, and the other one is end. Manikanta, following? Are you following the concept?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We used to, once we find the arrays వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, all the elements containing. So ఇక్కడ first subarray contains 9, 39, 45 and 81. So that was placed here, 9, 39, 45 and 81. And second array contains, A2 contains 18, 27, 72 and 90. So that is 18, 27, 72 and 90. Now both the arrays are visible to you, A1 and A2.
Yes, sir.
So Sandeep, these sections here, 67, this number is 67 now. Sandeep, are you available in the
Sir.
class?
Yes, sir.
నువ్వు ఎప్పుడు ఆన్లో ఉండయా? నువ్వు అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకుంటూ రెడీగా. సో దిస్ పాయింట్ ఈస్ క్లియర్. హౌ
Yes.
we found this array? So this array is nothing but the combination of these two arrays. So how to get this subarray, sorted subarray? This is the procedure we been followed. We divided the array into two more subparts, and the further it is divided into two parts and two parts each, and we sorted it, and finally we found the A1 array as 9, 39, 45 and 81, and another subarray A2 is 18, 27, 72 and 90. So those are the values that we are supposed to be added here. Then beginning, that means A0 position of A1 array is beginning, and it is to be called as I, and the end position of A1 is called as mid. So why? Because your 9, 39, 45 and 81, there are only 4 elements. After the last element is supposed to be called as mid, and mid plus 1 ultimately is a jth item. That means E array enti, this array is, all these 4 elements of this array is A2. A1, A2 ని అక్కడ యాడ్ చేశాను, and there
Yes,
are
sir.
3 pointers we will make used. One is beginning, other one is mid, and the other one is end. Beginning anyway A0 position లో ఉన్నది, it contains beginning, and A7 position లో ఉన్నది ఏమవుతుంది?
And sir.
And how to find the mid is, mid can be found as a last element of the first array. First array లో ఉన్న last element ని we are supposed to call it as mid.
Mid.
And mid తర్వాత next element is ultimately j, and j is the first element of the second of the array. ఇక్కడ వరకు అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
Is this
Yes,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
Sandeep?
అర్థమైంది సార్.
Okay, then how to add the elements? So this is in the form of a unsorted or assorted one. All the elements in the beginning, mid gani, end gani, this particular array contains all the elements in a unsorted one. Unsorted lo unnai. Now we are supposed to sort these two sub arrays as a single array and finding the complete sorted array. A1, A2 కలిపి we are finding the A array which contains all the elements of 8 numbers as a single sorted array. Single sorted array కింద మార్చాలి. Now what to do is, now we compare beginning with the j. So beginning is nothing but I, know ఇక్కడ big comma I. So first element of the first array, that is A1, is called as I, and first element of the second sub array is called as j.
J.
So first element of the first sub array is called as I, and first element of the second sub array is called as j, and we compare I with j. What is the least one? I ni j తో కంపేర్ చేస్తే ఏది లిస్ట్?
I, sir.
I లిస్ట్ లో ఉంది, అంతేనా? So
Yes,
once
sir.
we found that I is least, then we move I to the index. I ని ఒక సింగిల్ సబ్ అరే లో ఇండెక్స్ కి మారుస్తాం. Okay, is this clear? Whenever
Yes, sir.
I is less than j, we found that I is less than, so that's why we move the least element into the index, and since I is less than j, I is incremented to the next position. Now what is the position of I now? You ఇక్కడ చూడండి, observe చేయండి. The screen is visible to you now?
Yes, sir.
ఈ స్క్రీన్ కనబడుతుంది కదా. Now initially I
Yes,
is
sir.
at
Yes, sir.
big, that is A0 position లో ఉంది ఇక్కడ.
Beginning.
ఇప్పుడు I ఎక్కడ ఉంది? What is the new position of I? I is supposed to be incremented. 9 నుంచి ఏమవుతుంది? I
Yes, sir.
incremented
A1.
to its
A1.
next position. I becomes I plus 1, and j remains at j. j అలాగే ఉంటుంది. ఎప్పుడు j మారుతుంది? When the j position is supposed to be changed. When j is less than,
J పొజిషన్ I కన్నా లీస్ట్ ఉన్నప్పుడు
yes,
I
when
sir.
j is less than I, then j move to
J
index and j
transfer
position is incremented. Is this concept is clear? All the other students. Number 40.
sir.
అర్థమైందా? నువ్వేనా మణికంఠ 40 అంటే?
sir. Yes sir.
ఓకే 87.
Sir.
అర్థమైందమ్మా ఇది నేను అన్నది?
Yes, sir.
Initially there are 3 pointers we are supposed to use. How to arrive at this particular array? తెలిసింది కదా? This array contains the first 4 elements as the sorted subarray A1 and second 4 elements as the sorted subarray of A2, and from A1 A2 and A2, because these subarrays are sorted but not the whole array is sorted. So what we try to do is we initiate a new subarray which contains temp as well as index, and index ఏంటంటే it tells you about the new arrival of the element. So beginning it contains 3 different pointers. One is beginning, the other one is mid, and the other one is end. How to find the mid? Mid ఎప్పుడు mid ఎలా calculate చేస్తాం? Mid is nothing but the last element of the first subarray A1, and j is the first element position in the second subarray, that is A2. ఇక్కడ వరకు క్లియరా? And then what we are supposed to do is, ఇక్కడ చూడండి, now we compare I. Initially I position is at ఎక్కడ ఉంది I? 87. 87. I ఎక్కడ ఉందమ్మా? Initially what is the initial position for I? That is at A0. అంతేనా? A0 of subarray A1.
A1.
ఏనమ్మా? ఇక్కడ ఉంది 9 దగ్గర ఉంది. And j is అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ subarray దగ్గర ఉంది. J is first element of the second subarray. We are now comparing with the first elements of both the subarrays which are in sorted form. So ఈ ఎలిమెంట్ కంపేర్ చేస్తున్నాం. Now what is the I is less than j? I j కన్నా less than ఉందా లేదా?
Yes, sir.
I is less than j. So the smallest element is supposed to be moved to the new array. Is this clear? All the other students. Number 49.
Clear, sir.
Okay. So that's why 9 moved to the new array, that is A, and we will call it as A, and index is placed at the first place. Now since I is moved to the new array, that is A, so I is incremented to the next position. I next position అనగానే ఇక్కడ కనబడుతుంది చూడండి. I am moving the pointer. So initially I is at beginning. Now I is moved to the second element position in the first subarray. Hope everybody understood this particular point. అందరికి అర్థమైంది కదా? Number 91. Roll number 91.
Yes, sir.
ఏమో అర్థమైందా? How
Yes.
I position is moved to the second element of the first subarray.
Yes, sir.
So no change happens in the case of j element. Why? Because only I was moved. But now compare I with j. What is the smallest element? ఈ లైన్ లో చూడండి. Read in this particular
J,
line.
sir.
Huh?
J, sir.
J is small. Now which element is supposed to move to the index?
J, sir.
J వెళ్తుందంటే 18 moved to the new array, that is A, and what is the position to be moved? ఏ పొజిషన్ మారాలి ఇప్పుడు? J position is supposed to move to, ఇప్పుడు new position of J is J plus 1.
A
New
of
position of J is J plus 1. Now J moved to
27.
27. Is this point is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now third point, this is third. First point is this, and now this is second, this is third. Third point lo, now compare again I and J. What is least? Third point lo. Third step, or third pass, we can call it as a third pass. In the third pass, what happens? I and J are compared, and which one is supposed to move to the array of A?
J, sir.
J again moves. J into ఎంత ఉందమ్మా value?
27.
27 move to the index that is A, and now J position is to be incremented or not?
Incremented, sir.
That you can observe here. So J initially దాని ముందు 27 లో ఉంది. Now it moved to the next position. Now J is at
72.
Is this clear? Number 81. 81 అయినా నువ్వు మాట్లాడేదమ్మా?
91, sir.
91. Who is 81?
Tanuja, sir.
Yes, sir.
ఏమా అర్థమైందా అప్పుడు వరకు?
Yes.
How we are moving the pointers I, J, and how we are changing the positions, and how we are shifting the elements to the array of sorted array, that is A. ఎలా మారుస్తున్నాను ఈ J పొజిషన్ అనేది అర్థమైందమ్మా?
Yes, sir.
Should I repeat the explanation?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందమ్మా? సో ఇంకా
Yes,
I
sir.
ఇక్కడే ఉంది. I remains here itself, and J moved to 72. Now compare I with J. What is least value? 91 చెప్పాలి. 91 or 81?
I, sir. 39.
39 is least, since I is 39, and 39 is least when compared to small value when compared to 72. I shifted to index, and I to be incremented to next position. I వల్ల ఏమవుతుందమ్మా? I plus 1 అవుతుంది. అంటే now I pointing to the element that is 45. Now 45 లో I ఉంది, 72 లో J ఉంది. ఏది వెళ్తుందమ్మా? ఏ which particular element is supposed to be moved to the sorted array? ఏ ఎలిమెంట్ మూవ్ అవుతుంది 45 72 లో?
45, sir.
45. Is this clear up to?
Yes, sir.
Next, who is B9? Who is B9?
Yes, sir.
Now in the array,
అర్థమైంది సార్.
this concept is clear to you?
ఎస్ సార్.
Okay, now what is the next element to be moved? Now where is the position of I? 45, 72 లో అది వెళ్ళింది. Now what is the position of I? 45. Whenever 45 moves to the sorted array, that is A, the position of I is to be incremented by 1. ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది 45 నుంచి I? నిన్నే అడిగితే B8 అయినా నువ్వు?
B9 సార్.
B9 అడిగింది. I ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది 45 నుంచి నెక్స్ట్ మూవ్ పొజిషన్కి వెళ్తుంది. వాట్ ఇస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ పొజిషన్ ఇన్ ద array? 81 అయినా?
ఎస్ సార్.
Now I and mid pointing to 81, so I and mid also both pointing to 81.
81 సార్.
అర్థమైంది అక్కడ?
అర్థమైంది
Now
సార్.
81 and 72, what is the least among them?
72 సార్.
So which element moves to array of sorted array?
72 సార్.
So 72 moves, and then J increments or not?
ఇంక్రిమెంట్ సార్ 90కి వెళ్ళింది సార్.
Now
ఎండ్
J
వాల్యూకి
and both pointing at
90 సార్.
and I is still at mid.
81
So
సార్.
now I is compared once again with J. So which element moves? I is
81,
small or
sir.
J is small?
ఐ స్మాల్ సార్.
I is small, so I element is moved to the sorted array, that is A. And how many elements are still remains?
వన్ ఎలిమెంట్ సార్. వన్ ఎలిమెంట్ సార్.
Only one element. What is that element?
90 సార్.
90. And at the end there won't be any comparison because no elements are present in the whole arrays A1 and as well as A2. The last element comes and places here. Now the array of unsorted array, the unsorted array is sorted or not?
సార్
Sort
సార్టెడ్
అయిందా లేదా?
ఎస్ సార్. సార్టెడ్ సార్.
Now it is in this form. ఇంతేనా ఈ ఫామ్ ఏనా?
ఎస్ సార్.
So how this form will come అనేది దానికి explanation ఇది. So what we did is, ఏం చేసాం ఇక్కడ మెథ్ సార్ట్ అనేది మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. Why? Because if you know the concept of మెథ్ సార్ట్, it is easy for you to understand క్విక్ సార్ట్. క్విక్ సార్ట్ అనేది కొంచెం కాంప్లెక్సిటీ ఉంటుంది. To understand the complex one, it is better to understand the mixed sort in a better way. So what we do is here, we divide the whole unsorted array into two parts. అదే ఇక్కడ రాసా చూడండి. They divide A into two subarrays. What are those? A1 and A2. Each one containing about half of the elements, not exact half of the elements, about half of the elements. Next, once divide is over, go for conquer and I divide the once divided subarrays are now sorted. So this is the part sorted ante this is up to conquer. So divide అనేది ఇది, make it into two parts is this, and conquer part is this one. That means the divided two subarrays are sorted. This is one subarray and this is another subarray with sorted elements. Now if you combine these two elements to form a wholesome array with sorted elements, now this is the procedure we are following. The procedure we follow. Okay, so this is the final one. Whenever I is greater than mid, that means j is incremented అనగానే copy the remaining elements of the right subarray into temp లోకి copy చేస్తాం. Temp is nothing but an array which holds all the sorted elements. Is this clear? B7. B7. Who is B7 among you? Unmute yourself. C7. Row number C7.
Sir.
Yes,
sir.
So can you able to do by your own?
Yes, sir.
By taking these elements?
Yes, sir.
What are the important steps we've been followed? Whenever we observe an unsorted array, we are supposed to use the merge sort towards sorting all the elements in the unsorted array. What are the three major steps we are doing?
First we have to sort in order.
గట్టిగా మాట్లాడు, be louder.
First we have-
మాట్లాడండి, గట్టిగా మాట్లాడండి.
We have to sort, sir, in order.
ఏ విధంగా? What are the three steps, major steps that are happening in merge sort?
We have to sort it in order, sir.
ఎలాగా? What procedures we are following? In the merge sort,
Comparing with the
you are not following the class in a proper way, it seems. Mr. C7.
we have to compare elements, sir.
Ma?
Amapalam.
ఏంటి ఏమైంది?
We have to compare elements, sir.
First, prior to compare the elements, what are the major steps అంటే ఇవి major steps. హైలైట్ చేస్తున్నాం, కనబడిందా?
Yes, sir.
ఏంటిది?
Divide.
First, divide the unsorted array into two halves. So n number of elements are sorted into divided into n by 2 plus ఎంత? C7 నిన్నే నేను అడిగింది. Divide n number of elements into two halves, that is n by 2 plus n by 2.
N, sir.
Then conquer means the two subarrays recursively, sorting the two subarrays recursively using merge sort. Merge sort use చేసి వాటిని sort చేయి, then combine.
Okay.
So in the last class, this is the example we taken and we divided into two subparts. One is this and the other one is this. This is the whole A is divided into A1 and A2, and A1, A2 are sorted, and A1 is sorted, again A2 is sorted. Now we had two arrays with sorted one. Now combine these two to become a complete sorted list. That's what we did in the last class. Now how to combine these two subarrays that are in sorted form to a complete sorted list? That's what we are explained today. ఇలా తీసుకుని the first four elements in the array A1 are mentioned here, and this four elements in a second subarray are mentioned here. And when you compare these two, then and using method, then this is the order we are supposed to have. Is this clear?
Yes,
C7
sir.
అర్థమైందమ్మా?
Yes, sir.
నేను మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలా? నువ్వు మాట్లాడాలి, మాట్లాడకపోతే ఇంజనీరింగ్ రాదు.
No, sir.
If any particular doubt
What
is
is
on
it?
your mind, you please explain to me. I am here to solve your problem.
Okay, sir.
Next, B9.
Clear, sir.
Who is B9?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood this concept?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Now I
Understand,
want to
sir.
show you one more example. So this is what, can you able to see this method PPT presentation?
Yes, sir.
All the other students, Manikanta, Sandeep,
Yes, sir.
Sandeep, కనబడుతుందా?
నాకు కనపడుతుంది సార్.
So method is a sorting technique based on divide and conquer techniques, with the worst case complexity being order of n log n. This is what we've been found. What happens in a method is method first divides the array into two equal halves. See, once again I am explaining another example with the help of PPT. So those who haven't understood so far can understood this. Why? Because this particular concepts in method is helpful for you towards understanding that while you people are dealing the concepts of quicksort. It is easy for us to understand quicksort when you understood method. Okay, number 81. Who is 81?
Sir.
Am I అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
What we do in method is first we divide the array into two equal halves and then combines them in a sorted manner. Next, who invented it? Mr. John Newman is the one who invented this. This may not be required for us. So this is what the main concept. What is the concept? ఇందాక B7 అడిగాను, C7 అడిగాను. What are the three major steps? These are the three major steps. C7, B7. అర్థమవుతున్నాయా ఇవి? బాబు
Yes,
B7
sir.
and C7. So first, what is the technique we've been using? We divide the unsorted list into two sublists about a half of the size. About now, not exact. Already we've been discussed, like if 9 different elements are there, the first subarray may contain 5 or 4, the second may contain 4 or 5, the remaining elements. Okay, not exact. We are not supposed to divide in the manner of by 2, exactly by 2. Okay, n by 2 cannot be required. Either first n by 2 may be 1 or less than the second one, n by 2. Next, conquer. Sort each of the two sublists recursively until we have a list size of length 1, in which case the list itself is returned. Pratidi edaithe n by 2 elements untayo, all the n by 2 elements are recursively sorted. And that means we are supposed to compare. We can use any particular method. Either we can use bubble sort method or we can use insertion sort method. But ultimately we are supposed to sort the n by 2 elements. In the previous example, మనం ఇక్కడ bubble sort తీసుకున్నాం. మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది? దీంట్లో while sorting this first subarray n by 2, మన సింగిల్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ గా తీసుకున్నాం. చూడండి, 39, 9, 81, 45, 4 elements once again further divided into 2 plus 2. C7 అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
4 elements are 4 elements. The array which contains 4 elements are further divided into 2 plus 2. ఇక్కడ వరకు అర్థమైందా? Again 2 elements of a subarray again divided into 2 అంటే సింగిల్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఈచ్, అంటే 39 ఒకటి కింద, 9 ఒకటి కింద. ఫర్దర్ డివైడెడ్ ఇంటూ అంటే 39 and 9 ద సబ్అరే దీని A3 అనుకుందాం అనుకో. సపోజ్ A3 ఫర్దర్ డివైడెడ్ ఇంటూ A4 as well as A5 అలా డివైడ్ అయింది. అక్కడ అప్పుడు ఏం చేసాం? Now we use the technique like bubble sort. 39 and 9 are compared. ఎలా వస్తాయి? What is the result? When we try to sort it, C7. What is the result of 39 and 9 when you use bubble sort?
39 sir.
39 9 sort చేస్తే ఎలా వస్తాయి?
939 sir.
939 అంతే కదా. అండ్ 81 45 ని
Yes.
మళ్ళీ సార్ట్ చేస్తే we are supposed to get 45 and 81 90 27 27 90 కింద వచ్చినాయి, 72 18 18 72 కింద. Now we are combining these two and again use any one of the sorting technique like insertion or bubble or selection sort, and ultimately you are going to get this one or not. ఇలా వచ్చేస్తే లేదా 9 39 45 81 అంటే that means initially we had all these 4 elements. Now the 4 elements are same but only thing is sorted. Is this clear? Now we are going back to the PPT presentation. One sec. Now, once we divided the whole array into two subparts, now what we did was sorted the two sublists. Then once we found that we had two sorted sublists, then we combine the sublists to become a major list. So merge the two sorted sublists back into one sorted list. That's what the procedure we've been followed. So what is the algorithm here is merge sort algorithm. So A, B, R. That means, so if P is less than R, then Q equal to P plus R by 2. So while dividing, so this is P plus R by 2 is nothing but first point, beginning point and end point. The rare is R is end point by 2 just now. Once we found that P plus R ante, these are the two different points which pointing the first position and the last position of the array, that is unsorted. Unsorted lo first position or last position. We are making into two parts. Two parts can divide just now. At Q equal to subarray, Q equal to one subarray and the other one is another subarray. Now we applying the merge sort technique on P and Q. So P to Q and Q plus 1 to R. And two parts can just put P is the first position of the subarray and Q is the middle point. Middle point తెలుసుకోవడం కోసం Q అంటున్నాం దాన్ని. So first subarray మీద మనం algorithm apply చేస్తున్నాం లేదా? First subarray మీద. First subarray which contains all the elements which are exactly not exactly, which are similar to half the elements. So array of A లో P అనేది first point, Q అనేది mid point. Next second subarray ఎలా చేస్తాం? Mid point తర్వాత element is the first element of the second subarray. So అందులో Q plus 1 plus comma R. So this is what the algorithm which people are using. The algorithm, another algorithm, textbook algorithm చూపిస్తాను నేను మీకు. So these are the elements. Note down these elements. This is second example. The first example anyway, it is part of your textbook notes. All of you getting the information? Number 40. CR?
Sir.
Have you note down this particular example? How many elements are here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How many elements are here in this particular
9
example?
elements.
9 different elements. We are supposed to make it into two parts. Ante one can contain either 4 or 5, the other can contain the remaining one. So this is what the division we made in the second sheet, second slide. So 99, 6, 86 and 15 are in array of A anukunte, this is A1 and this is C7.
Sir.
This is A1 and this contains, what is the name of this subarray? We can call it as A2. C7 ninne adugutundi.
Sir.
The total number of array A equal to how many are there? 9. Now we
9.
divided the subarray A1 which
Four
contains
plus
4 elements and A2 which contains 5 elements. 4 5 can this now. Now again the 4 elements subarray is further divided into 2 plus 2 and this is further divided into 2 plus 3. Is this clear? C7.
Yes, sir.
B7 ఎవరయ్యా? సందీప్ B7 ఉన్నారా? క్లాస్ లో ఉన్నాడా?
ఉన్నాడు సార్.
Tell him to unmute and answer for the question.
ఓకే సార్.
Number 20. Who is roll number 20? Roll number 20 ఎవరు? మణికంఠ? Is a boy or a girl?
Girl, sir. Priyanka.
Who is roll number 20? ఎవరయ్యా? ప్రియాంక?
Yes, sir. Priyanka.
ఏదమ్మా అమ్మాయి ఏది?
ఉంది సార్ క్లాస్ లోనే.
అమ్మాయిని క్లాస్ అయిన తర్వాత నాకు కాల్ చేయమను. నెంబర్ 20. రోల్ నెంబర్ 15.
Yes, sir.
అవుతుందమ్మా.
Yes, sir.
An array of unsorted elements which contains 9 elements are divided into 2 parts, A1 and A2. A1 contains 4 elements and A2 contains 5 elements. Now A1 further divided into A3 and A4 and you can call it as A3 and A4 which contains 2 elements of each. Now this A2 contains A3 A4 కాబట్టి A5 and A5 and A6 కింద further divide చేసి which contains either 2 elements or 3 elements. ఎలా అన్న తీసుకోండి. A5 may contain first 3 elements అనుకోండి లేదా A6 may contain second 2 elements. అలా అన్న. Anyway, whatever be the kind of way you people are divided, ultimately you are supposed to sort it and merge. అంతే కదా చేసేది. Is this clear? ఏమా? Number 15. 15 20 అడుగుతున్నా.
15, sir.
అర్థమైందా ఇది కాన్సెప్ట్?
Yes, sir.
Now what is the next step to be? So this is the further division. Now ఇక్కడ ఏం చేసాం? Again this A3 is further divided into 2 more subarrays. Why? Because it is easy for us to sort between these 2 elements. Then it is further divided into 2 more elements. It is further into 2 more. Like that it is, since it contains 3 elements, it is divided into an element with single element, array with single element and 2 more elements. Number A2, is this clear? Roll number A2.
Yes, sir.
అదేనమ్మా ఇక్కడ వరకు నోట్ చేంజ్ చేసుకున్నావా?
Yes, sir.
Have you noted it down?
Yes, sir.
Okay. వరకు అర్థమైందా? All the other మణికంఠ, are you copying?
Yes, sir.
Mణికంఠ and Sandeep, you are supposed to make a note of it and prepare the notes and you are supposed to circulate among your friends.
Yes,
ఈ
sir.
సిఆర్లు నలుగురు కొంచెం యాక్టివ్ ఉండాలి, నలుగురు షేర్ చేయాలి ఇలాంటి కంటెంట్స్ అని చెప్పినప్పుడు. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ వరకు క్లియర్ కదా? ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ వాట్ వి డూ ఈస్ 99 and 6 కింద వచ్చింది కదా. 99 అలా 6 అలా ఏమవుతుంది సార్ట్ చేస్తే? If you combine 90,
Yes, sir.
if you sort 99 and 6,
699.
699. So remaining positions we can observe here. ఇక్కడ ఈ ఎందుకు బ్లాంక్ వదిలేడంటే ఇది యారే, ఈ కింద నుంచి పైకి వెళ్తున్నాం. 99 and 6 are compared. It was sorted in the form of a 699. కింద నుంచి పైకి చూడండి. From bottom to top, 99 6 became 699, 86 15 became 15 6 86, ఇవి అంతే as it is. Now so far it is clear. So this concept is clear to you. అర్థమైందా ఇక్కడ?
Yes, sir.
And next
Third the wrong sort ends.
third the
35
this
58
is
also.
35.
Wrong
It should come as 35 and 58. Yeah, it was wrongly printed. Okay, so you correct it. You write the correct one.
Okay.
35 and 58.
Okay, sir.
మీరు అలా రాసుకోండి 35 that you are supposed to write 35 here and 58 here. Manual mistake, forget about it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, the remaining this one also sorted. Now what to do? This is the one we had. There are now we sort these two subarrays 6, 99, 15, 86. The first element of I is compared with first element of J. This J అనుకుందాం, ఇది I అనుకుందాం. I is compared with J. If I is less than J, then I is placed here. And I is incremented to next element. And I and J are compared. 15 goes up, 86 goes up, and finally 99 comes up. There. So now this is in sorted form. Chinda.
Yes, sir.
Now do the same thing for here also.
Yes,
We
sir,
are
yes,
supposed to get the sorted order, sorted subarray like this. Now, what is the position of I? Your positions right దీంట్లో
A naught, sir.
I A naught equal to, that is I equal to A naught అంటే big. దీన్ని big అని represent చేయండి as per the algorithm which is explained. Algorithm ప్రకారం big becomes big comma I. You are supposed to write big comma I here. ఇక్కడే పొజిషన్ వస్తుంది
Mid, sir.
మా గట్టిగా
Mid, sir.
Mid, sir.
mid come here.
Mid, sir.
నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ
J, sir.
J and ఇక్కడ
J, sir.
ఇక్కడ
End.
end.
End, sir. End,
Now
sir.
compare I with J,
J.
which is least.
J.
J. Now J position, J, that means 0 come here and occupy the first position of the array, and J is incremented or not?
Yes, sir.
Now what is the new position of J?
Yes, sir.
ఏంటి ఇక్కడేనా?
Yes, sir.
So this is the position where
Yes,
new
sir.
position
J
of
plus
J
1.
comes. Now J is compared with I, which is smaller.
J, sir.
4 compared with 6, which one is smaller? J. So J moves
4,
up and J incremented by 1, that is 35. J points at 35. Then should I draw it in a sheet of word or draw chena? Are you understanding?
Understanding, sir.
Understanding, sir.
అర్థమవుతుంది కదయా?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So go to PPT. Once again, I go back to PPT. Initially, I position is at 6 and J position is at 0. I and J are compared. Since J is less than I, so J moves up and J incremented by 1. That is J positioned at 4 and I still remains at 6. Now I and J are compared. So since J is smaller, J moves up. Now ఇక్కడ ఏ ఎలిమెంట్స్ వస్తాయి? One is 0 and the other one is, ఇక్కడ ఏ ఎలిమెంట్ వచ్చింది? 74. రోల్ నెంబర్ 74.
Sir,
ఏ ఎలిమెంట్ వచ్చింది ఇక్కడ? which element is occupied here?
J, sir, number 4.
Huh?
4,
J, what is the value of J?
4, sir.
4 ఇక్కడికి వచ్చింది. Now అర్థమవుతుందా నీకు?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Now J incremented or not?
Yes, sir, J increment.
J increments to its new position, J plus 1. Now J is 35 and I is still at 6. ఇప్పుడు ఏ ఎలిమెంట్ పైకి వెళ్తుంది?
6, sir.
6 పైకి వెళ్తుంది. I పొజిషన్ చేంజ్ వస్తుందా రాదా?
Sir, I plus 1
I
increment.
becomes I plus 1. Now I value is 15 and J value is 35. Which value goes up?
I plus 1.
15 goes up and I becomes I plus 1. I points to 86 and J points to 35. So మళ్ళీ 35 పైకి వెళ్తుంది. Like that, This is the sorted array which we are going to get. Then వస్తుంది. Representatives.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yes, sir.
This is the sorted array. మీరు వాయిస్
Sir,
స్లోగా
sir.
మాట్లాడుతున్నారు మాకు. సెల్ ఫోన్స్ తో చూస్తున్నారా లేకపోతే ల్యాప్టాప్ తో చూస్తున్నారా?
Cell phone.
Which way you are getting? What is the input? మీకు రిసోర్సెస్ ఏమి ఉన్నాయి? All the 4 CRs. What are the resources do you have with your hand? Cell phones or laptops?
Cell phone.
Phones.
Cell phone లో వింటున్నావా?
Yes.
తల్లి ల్యాప్టాప్ కొనుక్కోమా.
ఉంది సార్.
ల్యాప్టాప్ ఉంటే ల్యాప్టాప్ లోనే చూడు. You are going to get big screen no when compared to cell phone.
Yes, sir.
And headphones పెట్టుకున్నావు అనుకో. So simultaneously you can talk to us. That is more convenient. Manikanta నీ దగ్గరే ఉంది?
Laptop, sir.
ల్యాప్టాప్ లోనే ఉందా? సందీప్
Yes, sir.
ఏముంది? What is the resource do you have?
Mobile, sir.
Mobile కాదయ్యా. Upgrade to laptop or desktop. ఏదైనా ఒకటి కొనండి. ఎందుకంటే వీఆర్ యూ పీపుల్ ఆర్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు ఐటీ మీన్స్ రేపు మీ చేతిలో ఉండాల్సిందే అవే. ల్యాప్టాప్ ఈజ్ మోర్ కన్వీనియంట్ ఫర్ యూ వెన్ కంపేర్ టు డెస్క్టాప్. ఈవెన్ డెస్క్టాప్ ఆల్సో నో ప్రాబ్లం. బట్ ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ మొబైల్ ఫోన్స్ నీకు అందుకనే టైం డిలే వస్తుంది. నువ్వు చూస్తున్నావు మళ్ళీ నాతో మాట్లాడాలంటే యూ ఆర్ సపోజ్ టు unmute yourself and talk to me, so it gives delay to you. Otherwise నీ చేతిలో పాయింట్ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి డెస్క్టాప్ కానీ ల్యాప్టాప్ కానీ immediately you can give response to me. కొనండి అవి. Can you able to buy?
ఉంది సార్.
కొనుక్కోగలరుగా?
ఉంది సార్.
కొనుక్కోవాలి. ఉందా? ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇంకేంటి ప్రాబ్లం? So from tomorrow onwards, you use only laptop or desktop. Sandeep?
Okay, sir.
More visibility could ఉంటుంది. Understanding, you can understand in a better way. Okay? So
Okay,
this
sir.
is the sorted array. Next, there is one more example. This gives you a complete drawing about division, again sorting. చూడండి. There are 7 different elements are there. It was divided into 4 plus 3 and 4 again divided into 2 plus 2 and 3 again divided into 2 plus 1. ఇక్కడ వరకు అర్థమైందా? And it was further divided into single elements, and again these two are sorted. Now copy this one. This gives complete understanding about you. All the students, B9. B9.
Yes,
Who is
sir.
B9 among you? అర్థమైందా? మెథడ్ సార్ట్.
అర్థమైంది సార్.
ఈ డ్రాయింగ్ కంప్లీట్ చేయి.
ఓకే సార్.
Note down this example. If any particular doubt is there, you can ask me, no problem. A2.
నో డౌట్ సార్.
First, A2.
Sir.
అర్థమైందా? మెథడ్ సార్ట్ టెక్నిక్.
Yes, sir.
Now copy this
Okay, sir.
example. So this is up to division. This is up to division, and this is conquer, and this is combine. Here I can mention idi conquer, division up to here, conquer these two steps. These two steps are for conquer, and this is for combine. Hope this particular example is followed by you. Number 15.
Yes, sir.
Number 15, is it understood by you, ma?
Yes, sir.
E line varaku divide. These two lines are belongs to conquer. E side right miru. Line number 1, first step, second, third, fourth. All 1 to 4 steps are belongs to divide, and 5 and 6 steps are belongs to conquer, and 7th step is belongs to combine. Note down, all of you complete the exercise. once you complete, you just inform to me. If anybody had any particular doubt about METSAR, you please ask me. Number 74.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, అర్థమైంది సార్.
Have you understood the METSAR technique?
Sir, I understood.
What are 3 different steps present here? ఏమున్నాయి 3 different steps ఈ example లో?
Divide, conquer and combine.
Divide,
Conquer
conquer,
and combine.
combine. Divide కి ఏ steps వస్తున్నాయి? What are steps comes under divide?
First 4 steps.
1 to 4.
Sir.
And conquer
5, 6.
5, 6. Combine
7th step.
7. So combine కి నేను example నేను ఇందాక చెప్పిందంతా combine మీకు. So this example, anyway, this notes is already with you. Have you copied? Have you downloaded it from Edmodo? Copy download చేసుకున్నారుగా all the students.
Yes, sir.
Copy చేసుకున్నప్పుడు ఈ notes చదవండి. So this is combine. This example is for combine. Hope everybody is copied this. Example అంతా copy అయిపోయిందా?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay then. Can I start class here?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, that's all. Thank you. Huh?
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.